Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of home cleaning with a focus on one of the best bed vacuum cleaners with UV light available in the market. Introducing the Raycop RN Bed Vacuum Cleaner. This innovative device is not your average vacuum cleaner. It's packed with features designed to provide a deep clean and promote a healthier living environment. Let's break down what makes the Raycop RN stand out from the crowd. First up, UV sanitization. With hospital-quality UV light, this vacuum can effectively eliminate bacteria, viruses, and even bed bugs from your mattress and other soft surfaces. But that's not all. The pulsating brush technology is a game-changer when it comes to removing embedded debris. With 18,000 pulsations per minute, it loosens pet dander, dust mites, and other allergens, making them easier to suction away. And let's not forget about the HEPA filtration system, capturing particles as small as 0.3 microns. It ensures that allergens are trapped, leaving your home cleaner and fresher than ever before. Now, let's address a couple of minor concerns. Some users have mentioned that the cord length is shorter than expected, requiring them to switch outlets to reach the entire mattress surface. Additionally, while primarily corded, the battery life for the UV sanitizing feature could be improved. Despite these minor drawbacks, the overall consensus from users is overwhelmingly positive. They praise the Raycop RN for its powerful suction, ease of use, and effectiveness in removing allergens. So, if you're in the market for a bed vacuum cleaner that goes above and beyond, look no further than the Raycop RN. With its UV light technology, pulsating brush, and HEPA filtration, it's a must-have for anyone looking to create a cleaner, healthier home environment. That's all for today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy cleaning!